Welcome to Chef Eli's restaurant. You can play with your food, but don't eat it, 'cause it's Play-Doh.
Hello?
Yes, I'm calling to order a pizza from Chef Eli. Are you Chef Eli?
Yes.
Okay, can I have one pizza with tomatoes and some mushroom and some green pepper and some cheese and some pizza sauce, please?
Yes. Hi, Emma. Hi, Eli. Hi, kids.
Eli, what are you going to do today?
Play this. Play-Doh.
Ooh, what kind of Play-Doh is it, Chef Eli?
I'm gonna make this little pizza. Today we're gonna cook it. You decided to open it?
Yes, go ahead and open it.
Let's make it.
Ooh, there it is.
Pizza box.
It's a pizza box. That's cool. You're going to open it.
Oh, I see pizza.
It's pizza on it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
Play-Doh.
Lots and lots of Play-Doh.
Uh-oh. Stuff.
I think that's it.
Oh,
Oh, no, there's more stuff. Okay. Ooh, what are those? Are those tools?
yeah. Tools.
Yeah, we have tools, kids.
That's just for noodles.
Noodles or cheese?
Just open it. You have this. Ta-da.
What is that? Oh, that's like a plate.
Here's a
So you can slice it. Okay. Okay. He's cooking that cheese up right here. I guess that's, is that like, maybe we could call that garlic. He's cooking his garlic. He's cooking his garlic. Okay, great, Eli.
roll it.
Okay, so, you rolling it?
Nice and smooth. Now take the excess.
That's right. You take off the excess. That's right. Your pizza looks really good. Look on here. Let's see what things we have to make. Oh, wait. We have to make pizza sauce. So let's get the red. Here's the red. That red looks really bright, doesn't it? So here's the red, kids. It looks so bright. Okay, what's that going to be, Eli?
Tomato.
So we're gonna make tomatoes and pizza sauce with the red. Okay, how's the pizza sauce look? Here's the unveiling. Does it look good? It looks good. So now we can put the pizza sauce on top of the pizza.
Just make the cheese, but I want to make the noodles.
All right, there you have your cheese mix.
Daddy will be so happy you see the noodle.
Okay, here you have your cheese grater or maker tool. And Chef Eli is going to put the, uh-oh, Chef Eli dropped the cheese. That's dirty cheese.
But I got this.
Okay, yeah. Is it clean now, Chef Eli? Okay, so we're going to, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because these are coming out.
Uh-huh.
This.
Oh, this top part is oozing out with the bottom.
Yes.
I
Wow.
want to eat this myself. This looks so tasty. You're such a good cutter.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Chef Eli. I was checking out your hat. Who got you that cool hat?
Nana.
Yes, she did.
That's Nana.
Here is the red for the tomatoes. But you're just doing a press-in method and then you peel the excess. You like peeling the excess.
Yeah.
Can I see how it came out? How's it look?
Good.
Oh, that does look good, Chef Eli. Great job. Oh, yeah.
I made 2 tomatoes. 2 tomatoes.
So let's see what our pizza looks like so far. This is our pizza so far. We have 2 tomatoes, some cheese, some pizza sauce. Oh, is that a carrot? I thought it was a pepper.
Oh.
I thought it was a pepper, Eli. Mommy is so off. You're in the know.
It is a pepper.
Oh, it is a pepper.
Yes, it is. Peppers are green. Ta-da!
So we're putting broccoli on our pizza as well.
Cheese.
We have lots of broccoli.
Cheese.
Oh, I dropped the broccoli. Okay, all the broccoli is washed. So now we can put that broccoli on. You gonna put the broccoli on the pizza now? Our pizza is looking very colorful. Oh, let's move this. Very colorful and delicious. I have to say, Chef Eli, you're doing a bang up job, buddy. A bang up job. Chef is putting pizza crust around the edge of his pizza.
He made more pizza crust.
Do you have some more yellow? To make pizza crust, we're just going to roll it back and forth like this, aren't we, Chef? You taught me everything I know, Chef. You're a very smart guy. So we just roll it back and forth. Oh, you making yours over here, Chef? Okay. Now we have a full crust of pizza.
Now it's pizza.
Now it's pizza. Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh, no mushrooms, Chef. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Chef? It's an emergency. We need some mushrooms. Stat. You gonna make it for us? Are you gonna make it for us, Chef? Can you do it? Let's do it. Okay, so you made your mushroom and you peel the excess off pretty quickly, fairly quickly. Now we're adding our first mushroom. Great job, Chef Eli. That looks awesome.
I'm making some coffee inside.
You making coffee? Let me see. Mmm. Is the oven nice and warm?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's see that pizza. Mmm, can't wait to eat it. Yeah, the broccoli fell off. Let's put that veggie in there.
Just keep getting.
Mmm. Okay, now you gotta close the oven. Okay, you gotta set your oven on 350.
Done.
Use the other hand. All right, it's ready. Gotta get your pizza. Ooh, yum. All right, there you go. Mmm, look how good it looks. So good.
No.
Wow. All right, close that up.
Have a special delivery. No. Okay, I'm gonna eat this by myself.
Eli, did you ask them where they live so you can bring the pizza to their house?
There you go.
I guess we're gonna have to just keep the pizza for ourselves then.